Okay, so here are my fans that I bought. I put them in a room for a hot tub. The fans work well, but the only way to turn them on is by coming up to the unit and hitting on the unit itself, or I have to use the remote that came with it and point it at the IR sensor, which when I do it from over here on this other fan, I can't do it. So I have to come all the way over to the other side of my room, reach down and point it at that sensor, and see, it still didn't get it. Let's try it again over here. There we go. So I have to walk all the way around my room to turn that on. Now, when I wired this room, I wired it to where both of those outlets could be operated with a wall switch. So you'll notice that both the fans are on right now, and they work pretty good. They put out a lot of air, but when I hit my wall switch off, you can see that my fans actually turn off like they should. Okay, they're slowing down. But when I want to turn them back on, I come down to hit my wall switch and turn them on, and look at that. They won't come on. The only way to turn these fans on is to use the remote and point it by walking all the way around your room to where you point it right at that sensor, or you have to go to the device up on the wall. This is like 7 or 8 feet up on the wall, and I have to hit the on button. So it's just a really bad design that you can't turn them on and off like a ceiling fan. I mean, when I bought a fan, I was thinking, hey, it's a wall fan. I can operate a wall switch to use my fan. But no, the Tornado fans require a manual button to turn them on, or you have to walk around your room and use the little flimsy remote that they gave you. So I'm giving this a 3-star. I mean, they do work. Like, they do kind of cool this room. They move some air, but the design of them to where they can't be turned on and off, it's real disappointing.
All right, the Tornado fan. I wanted to show this to you first. This is the fan after it's been running for about 2 months. As you can tell, it got pretty dirty. But one thing that's amazing about this, I don't know why, how they designed it, but I've had fans like this, and once they get this dirty, they're pretty much done. Look how easy. I didn't apply any cleaning solution, nothing. It'll just blast off. You can put it right back on just like that. You can see this. And it's like brand new.
I have this fan plugged up in my office, and if I try to turn it on, nothing happens. Nothing. So you see it plugged up, and it does not come on.
much she's comfortable with her body, and I'm very happy for that. She was really gripping herself. She's like gorilla gripping herself. That was